children, it's so nice to be here with you again today. Today we're going to be making an apple tree. We're going to be singing, we're going to be doing some math. I hope you have fun. These are the things you're going to be needing. You're going to be needing some construction paper, paint, paper towel roll if you have one, and a loofah. Okay, here's what we're going to start with. I have now taken a paper towel roll and I pushed it down and I made it nice and flat and I taped it onto my paper. And now we're going to take some paint, brown paint, and I'm going to paint the trunk of the tree. And what color are we painting it with? That's correct, we're painting it brown. You can use a marker if you don't have paint, and that's okay. I happen to have paint right here, so we're painting it brown. And just have fun with it. Okay, that is absolutely perfect. Okay, boys and girls, nice job. So when you're done painting the trunk of your tree, you're going to be painting the leaves on your tree. And what we're going to do is we're going to get some, this is the loofah. This is what you use to put soap on so you can scrub your body. But this hasn't been used. We're going to be taking some green paint, which I have right here. I put it on a flat plate. I'm going to take the loofah and I'm going to just dab it. And we're going to paint it. However you want to do it. A little bit of paint goes a long way. Dab, dab, dab some more. And we're just going to create a tree. You can make it as small or as big as you like on your paper, depending on the size of your paper. I just happen to have a big piece of paper right here that I set up. And if you happen to have a big one, big piece of paper as well, you can do that too. As you can see, it's coming out really cool. And if you boys and girls get a chance to take a picture of your nice art, of your nice tree, I would love to see them. If you can send me a picture, and I'll be more than happy to post them on Remind. Okay, it doesn't have to have tons of paint, just enough to make it look like a really neat looking tree. And you want it to look like an apple tree. I'm going to do it just one more time. I'm going to do this side right here. We want to cover the whole page. Okay, boys and girls, that looks fantastic. What do you think? That looks really neat, right? Okay, awesome job, boys and girls. Now we're going to take our apples. I have apples right in here that I already made. So let me just show you what you need to do first of all. You need some construction paper. You can either do red, green, or yellow. And you're going to cut out some circles. And you're going to put a little stem, a little piece of green paper, and a little leaf. And you're just going to glue them on. That's your apples. And you're going to take apples and you're going to put them on your apple tree. Now, I'm not going to wait for this apple tree to dry because I would like to do the song as well. You can let yours dry first before you glue your apples to your apple tree. Now, I'm going to be putting 10 apples. You don't have to put 10 apples. You can put as many as 1 apple or 5 apples or 10 apples, however many apples you like to put on. All right, boys and girls. So I'm going to be putting 10 apples. So I already happen to put tape on this side of the apple because I want to try to put them on so that we can do our song. All right, this is 1 apple. You can count with me, please, boys and girls. 2 apples. 3 apples. 4 apples. 5 apples. 6 apples. 7 apples. 8 apples. 9 apples. And 10 apples. All right, excellent. We have 10 apples on our apple tree. Now, you're going to be my helpers by helping me count down, taking away, and singing this special song. Because we right now have 10 apples on our apple tree. So we're going to start by singing our song, and if you can remember, you can join me, okay? Way up high in the tree, 10 little apples smiled at me, so I shook that tree as hard as I could. Down came an apple. Good. All right, boys and girls, I just took 1 apple away. You're gonna help me count how many apples we have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Excellent job. Way up high in the tree, 9 little apples smiled at me, so I shook that tree as hard as I could. Down came an apple. Good. Okay, boys and girls, how many apples do I have left? Help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job. Way up high in the tree, 8 little apples smiled at me, so I shook that tree as hard as I could. Down came an apple. Good. Yum, yum, yum. How many apples do we have left? Let's help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Excellent job. Way up high in the tree, 7 little apples smiled at me, so I shook that tree as hard as I could. Down came an apple. Good. Okay, boys and girls, how many apples do we have left? Let's help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 little apples. Nice job. Way up high in the tree, 6 little apples smiled at me, so I shook that tree as hard as I could. Down came an apple. Good. Okay, boys and girls, how many apples do we have left? Help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job. Way up high in the tree, 5 little apples smiled at me, so I shook that tree as hard as I could. Down came an apple. Good. All right, boys and girls, how many apples do we have left? 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent job. Way up high in the tree, 4 little apples smiled at me, so I shook that tree as hard as I could. Down came an apple. Good. All right, boys and girls, how many apples do we have left? 1, 2, 3. Excellent job. Way up high in the tree, 3 little apples smiled at me, so I shook that tree as hard as I could. Down came an apple. Good. All right, boys and girls, how many apples do we have left? 1, 2. Way up high in the tree, 2 little apples smiled at me, so I shook that tree as hard as I could. Down came an apple. Good. All right, boys and girls, how many apples do we have left? 1. Very good. Way up high in the tree, one little apple smiled at me, so I shook that tree as hard as I could. Down came an apple, good. All right, boys and girls, tell me how many apples do we have left? None. All the apples are gone. You know why? Because you love apples so much and you ate them all. I hope you share them with all your friends. And please come back again tomorrow for our next arts and crafts. Thank you for being with us today. Miss you all.